Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, I'm Jerry.
Would you like to eat ice cream?
Haha, just kidding.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fun family road trip. We left Night Point State Park.
It was a 3-hour drive to our next stop in New Hampshire.
1 hour into our drive was Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory.
We stopped for a tour and to eat lunch.
I really liked the Flavor Graveyard.
The graveyard was good, but the samples were better.
Check it out.
What is it, Anthony?
Devil's Food chocolate.
Almond macadamia. Matthew's Magic Brownies.
That one, this one, Dad.
Yeah.
White Russian.
Au pair.
Dad, this one's like a coffee ice cream. White Russian.
I bet it's delicious.
We gotta do this one now.
I thought we were going to go down the row and then come back in the row.
Oh, well, now you
And then
can
on the way back, we'll do the rest.
graveyard of ice
I don't know about sweet potato pie ice cream. That sounds pretty disgusting.
If we were to smash and get it fouled out.
Peanut butter and jelly would be good.
They love mashed potatoes. Sadly, it missed our favorite dessert.
What is this
A bit too
one?
much English.
Bonnaby Divinity.
Divinity, divinity.
The Witch.
See, and he said, Wicked. Wild Maine Mom, Dad, look at Vermont Python. It's a coffee type of ice cream.
What you doing there, Colin? What are you doing?
You want to do a spin out, bud?
What'd you do? Put too much, huh?
Want to see mine, Dad? Mine's right here.
Hang it out.
What's the procedure?
Watch out, Anthony.
Very cool. You done? You gonna come around She likes to spell it. Pretty cool, bud. You guys done? You're gonna keep adding more. Which color do you want to do? Look at your picture. Can you see it? You done? Or you gonna see it? What color do you want to put on there?
There we go.
You want blue?
I'm done.
You done?
Mom, look at that one. That one's kind of
Yours are done? Oh, that's cool.
I'm done. I know a fun place wouldn't be complete without a squishy penguin.
That Ben showed you the factory. They don't even have to know it's not the real Ben. That can be our little secret. Today, though, I do have an exciting 3-part tour for you all. We're going to start up in our Cow Over the Moon Theater, watch a brief film about how Ben and Jerry got their start.
from there, we're going to mosey on out to the mezzanine where we're going to get to see the production floor. We might see them making some ice cream, and I'm going to tell you about how they're making that ice cream. And then the final thing we're going to do is head down into the Flavo room where everybody's going to get to have a bit of ice cream for themselves. How does that sound to everyone?
Good.
Woohoo!
That was pretty good, guys, but we are getting ice cream at the end of this. I think we can get that energy up a little bit more. How does that sound to everybody?
Yeah!
To use this room to try out and perfect different flavors. So things like Cherry Garcia, Chunky Monkey, Chubby Hubby, New York Super Fudge Chunk, and many other kinds were invented in this room. My Super Scoopers are wonderful at what they do. They're able to make every single sample taste the exact same. And if that's not enough, while you were in the movie, I did come down, I licked them all for you. So I do know they are all perfect.
You're going to need a napkin.
So you can get some loose right.
Claire, you want to get the picture? Yeah.
How is it, Colin? How is it, Ann? James? How is it, Emmy?
It's delicious, isn't it?
Alright, folks, so I do have...
If you like this video, you should go check out our library, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel, check us out on Facebook or at FulltimeFamilies.com.